Hey there! Ready to sound more like a native Dutch speaker? Today we're diving into Dutch consonant pronunciation. You might be wondering, are Dutch consonants tricky? Well, good news! If you speak English, most of them will feel pretty familiar. But there are a few ones that need a bit more practice, like the famous G, G sound and the CH sound. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it with clear examples, comparisons and tips to perfect your accent. So, let's jump in! As part of this course, I also want to support you with a bit of pronunciation, right? Because besides only learning vocabulary and knowing the vocabulary, hopefully you pronounce it in the right way too, right? So I'm just gonna give you, spread throughout this course, I'm gonna give you some pronunciations. So we're gonna start with the pronunciation of consonants. So that should be not too difficult for you. So as a speaker of English, which you probably are, because otherwise you can't understand me, right? You won't find Dutch consonant much of a problem. You will find it quite easy. So the consonants are generally pronounced the same as in English. So let's go to the first one, the CH sound. So the CH sound, so in the Dutch word licht, which means light, the sound is in there, right? Licht, licht. So it is as in the Scottish loch, right? The monster of Loch Ness, right? So the sound. So you should feel it at the back of your mouth. So I feel when I say licht, licht, I feel it in the back of my mouth. Loch, licht. And it sounds softer the further south you go. So I'm from the south, so my pronunciation is softer. So in the north, they say more like licht, licht, right? They say it like that. I say licht, licht. So they say, I say, so that is a difference. So sounds, so that is also for Belgium. In Belgium, they will also have the softer sound. In Amsterdam, they will have the different sound, right? So in Amsterdam, they say licht, licht. In the south of the Netherlands, they say licht, licht. And in Belgium, they also say licht, licht. Yes, like that. Then we go to the G sound. And the G sound is, for example, in gek, gek. And gek means mad, crazy. So it's the same guttural sound as the CH sound, but it's never pronounced as the English G, right? So in English, for example, you say gas, g, so you don't say gek, gek. No, you say the gek. So that is mad. Then we go to the J, and the J in Dutch, for example, ja. Yi, the yi sound, ja, and ja means yes. So it is actually pronounced as in the English Y in yes. So if you say yes, you make a yi sound, right? That's the same sound. Ja, yes. Then we go to the K, the P and the T, and these are pretty straightforward. So the K is k, k, kat, and kat means cat. Kat, kat, and then the P sound, p, p, pop, pop. So pop is doll, and then the t, t, tas, tas. And a tas is a bag. A tas is a bag. So they are the same as in English, but without exhaling as much air. So you can hold your hand in front of your mouth, and almost no air should come out with the Dutch word. So I don't feel any air. P, p. Yeah, with the P sound there is some air, but the t, t, t is, there's almost no air there. So the k, the p, and the t. Yes, that's the K, the P and the T. Then we go to the R, and the R is quite different from English, right? So in Dutch we say r, rood, rood. So rood means red, right? So in English you say r, but in Dutch you say rrr. So you can make this sound by trilling your tongue against the back of your upper teeth, or making the friction at the back of the mouth, like the French R. So I'm making the French R, the rrr, rrr. Then we go to the next, and it is the sh sound, SCH sound. So in Dutch, for example, we say school, school, and that means school, right? So it's very different. In Dutch, we pronounce almost the S, the C, and the H, like school, school. So this is a combination of the S and the CH sound. School, school. Then we go to the V, the V. The V sound in Dutch is V, V. So in Dutch the word is vis, vis, and that means fish. And it's different, right? So like the English V in give, right? When we say I want to give you something, V, that V. But sometimes closer to the English F, especially at the beginning of words. So in this one, the V is quite a strong V, right? But sometimes it might sound also like an F. So that is the V sound. Then let's move to the W, the R. For example, wit, wit, and that means white. And it is between the English V and W. So hold your upper teeth against your lower lip. So wit, wit, wit. It's a W sound, wit. Okay, that is the first pronunciation lesson that I'm going to give you. And as I mentioned before, there will be some other pronunciation lessons spread over the course. Okay, let's go to the next lesson. Geweldig gedaan, good job. You've just taken another step with improving your Dutch. What did you find most helpful? Drop it in the comments below if you want. And if you want to learn even more Dutch, check out my online Dutch courses for step-by-step lessons, and you can find the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. So see you in the next video.